In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the recommended section in the Windows 11 Start menu. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. If you find the recommended section annoying and you want a more clean and minimal Start menu, I will show you how to completely remove it. To get started, head to the link that you will find in the description below. On this GitHub page, click the green Code button and then click Download Zip. When the zip file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder. Right-click the file and select Extract All, then click Extract. Now, open the folder that you just extracted. Inside, you will find two files. Double-click on the first one. Click Yes on the security prompt, Yes again to confirm the registry change, and finally click OK. Now, to apply the changes, you have to restart Windows Explorer. Open your Task Manager. Search for Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and select Restart. If you open your Start menu now, you will see that the recommended section has been completely removed.